Hey guys, I just wanted to demonstrate Helixfeed, which is a Fusion 360 plugin that I'm currently developing, which automatically calculates your feeds and speeds directly inside Fusion 360's manufacturer workspace for milling. So the way it works is you would just program your part exactly how you always do, but instead of focusing on your feeds and speeds while you're programming, you just worry about what tool you're using and constraining its geometry. Once you have your part fully programmed, then you would open up Helixfeed, select your material, as well as material alloy, and you could come through Helixfeed and adjust its parameters based on intensity or how aggressive you want to machine. So if you wanted to do light finishing cuts, you would scroll this intensity slider all the way over to the finishing side. Whereas if you wanted to be fully aggressive, you would move it over to the right-hand side. And you can see how it adjusts your recipes. Helixfeed has a few different machining modes built in that in most toolpaths automatically detect what you're trying to do. Basically what that does is adjusts the radial to axial bias. So for example, if you're finishing a wall, you'd want a relatively high axial engagement and a relatively low axial engagement. Whereas for adaptive roughing, it's similar, but we want a bit more aggression on the step over. So what you would do is you would come through here, tune these in until you see a number that you like. And once you're happy with it, you would just select Apply Feeds and Speeds, and Helixfeed will automatically populate those recipes directly into your toolpaths. So Helixfeed is going to try to put you in the correct window for surface footage per minute, as well as accounting for chip thinning, tool deflection, machine rigidity, radial engagement, circular path compensation, spindle power limits, and the specific machining strategy you're running. So that's where Helixfeed is at right now. It's still in active development, and I'm adding to it every week. And what would help me the most right now is real machinists putting it through its paces on real parts. Right now, it's completely free to try. It's in beta, and I need feedback more than anything else. If you're running Fusion 360 and you're tired of second guessing your feeds and speeds, give it a shot. Link to get set up is in the description. And if something doesn't work right, or you think it should handle something differently, tell me. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Thanks for watching.